Ethereum, the world computer, is celebrating its 10th birthday. That's 10 years of zero downtime and billions upon billions worth of assets transferred and secured without any intermediaries. Happy birthday, Ethereum. Here's to the next decade. Now on to some technical news. Ingonyama has released a new version of the popular Halo2 proving system that is 25 times faster. What they've done is they've forked the Ezekiel implementation and made a almost GPU native implementation called ICICLE-Halo2. Halo2 was originally created by the Zcash team, and it is one of the most popular proving systems. It's a ZK snark, and you can check out the blog post for all the details, but the important takeaway for those of you who aren't super technical is that ZK is just getting faster and faster. The Ethereum Community Foundation, or ECF, is a new org with the mandate to fund Ethereum-aligned projects that are immutable, credibly neutral, and which are tokenless. And the goal is to burn more ETH. In fact, their whole mission is to try to pump the price of ETH, the asset, and they have a 10K price target in their bio. And the way they want to do this is by, again, funding projects and creating new ways to make ETH useful, which will cause ETH to get burned. They just put out their first release, BlobKit, which is a TypeScript SDK that aims to make Ethereum's native data layer, blobs, much more useful. Blobs are cheap, verifiable, and live, but their usefulness has been limited beyond, data availability for rollups because we don't have really good tools to write to them. Basically, they aim to fix this, and BlobKit does things like handling formatting, encoding, and commitments, so that way you can do cool things with blobs, like maybe build an ephemeral messaging app. There's a lot of really cool possibilities that I think most people probably haven't thought about for blobs, and you should check out their blog posts to see some of these cool ideas. OpenZeppelin, who you've probably heard of because of their widely used smart contract libraries, just released something that will be really useful for anybody who's using AI assistants to write code. They just launched MCP, that's Model Context Protocol servers, not to be confused with MPC, multi-party computation. I know, very confusing, that basically will help people using AI to write secure OpenZeppelin smart contracts. Now, vibe coding smart contracts sounds like a pretty bad idea, but with OpenZeppelin behind this, hopefully this kind of technology will help us write smart contracts faster and also help us avoid getting wrecked. And that is your ZK News for this week. I'm Boris from Blind, and remember, all of the past ZK News episodes are available on YouTube if you want to get a rundown of everything that has happened in ZK so far this year.